Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to scan a document and make PDF files from this scan. So of course, you can take a photo of the document, make it black and white, so perform to it black and white filter, and then send it to the web service, free web service, photo to PDF. So you can do it, but you can use automatically applications to take to create a photo scans and documents. So to do it, you just need to find, for example, of course it's not the ad, but you can find, for example, Kagas scanner or any other else scanner. For example, Kagas scanner is free. You can use it completely for free. You don't need to pay for Prime versions of this application. Of course, if you need to have the cloud backup or other useless feature, so of course you can pay for it, but you don't need to use it normally. PDF scanner, okay, cool. And now you just need to take a photo. For example, take a photo, rotate up. Okay, I can't do it because it's Pixel device. Cool. Try again, but I need to enable auto rotate. Cool. Now take a photo. And now this application will automatically choose the document corners, but of course I have no document here, so I need to set up corners using my hands. So choose it, choose the corners, and cool. So click next. It will make black and white, so you have several different black and white filters. You can make it in color, of course, and then just click OK. Click and hold on the photo you wanna convert to PDF. Then click share like PDF. And cool, so now you can share it to the Google Drive, to a nearby device, or you can just save it. I have forgot how to save it. Wait. Okay, more. Okay, I can save it to gallery, for example, or I can save it to the files application. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.